Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Thank the honourable member for the question. But before I answer the question, I wish to correct the answer I gave yesterday to on Tuesday to Honourable Choir. It's about the World Bank's group debtors as percentage of the external debt. While adding it, it is the second largest at around 35.7, and the largest is ADB. And there are four others sharing the rest of 25.5%. For the question, Mr. Speaker, sir, so the question is asking on Fletcher Construction. Just to give a brief background, Fletcher Construction is a business arm of Fletcher Building Fiji Limited, and there are two business arms under the Fletcher Building Fiji Limited. One is the construction business, and the other is the road maintenance business. And Fletcher Building Limited is owned by Higgins Holdings Fiji Property Pty Limited, and that's where FNPF's share is 25%, FHL 25%, and Higgins Group owns 50%.